everyone, this is Leah from Sunshine. Today I will introduce you. This is our wholesaling bed chair. How to use this? Let me try you. You can sit on it. The fabric is very soft and comfortable. The material of the outer fabric is velvet, and inner we have the foam in it. And the frame is steel, so it's very durable and strong. And this sticker can be taken like this. When we fold the chair, we just need to make the sticker apart from the chair. Okay, so we will get the frame and the cover to pass. So the folded size is very compact and small. This chair, the weight capacity is about 225 pounds, so it's very strong. And if you want to get more information about this chair, just to contact us. Bye.